Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This is part 4 of the differential equation. Already 3 parts are covered and the link is given in the description box. You can go through this link. So in this part we want to discuss about the linear differential equation, which is the first order first degree differential equation. Solution of this first order first degree differential equation with the help of linear differential equation formation, right? So already two part are covered in the previous one, that is separation of variable and the homogeneous equation. The variable, that's mean the x and y are separated out and then integrated. We can solve by the separation of variable. Homogeneous equation, you take y equal to vx, the equation which are in the homogeneous form, that is the form of dy dx is equals to f of xy by g of xy, like that, and the power of f and g are the same, and the equation which can be reduced in the homogeneous, that also discuss here there. Now we want to discuss about the linear equation, the form which are in the first order first degree differential equation which can in the linear equation form, then we can solve the process will be discussed here, right? So the linear differential equation means the differential equation like that dy dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x, the equation like that. If the equation like that, this is the linear differential equation form, linear differential equation form. For that solve that type of equation, you need to find out the integrating factor, that is the if. The integrating factor if can be calculated, that is the to the power p of x dx. P of x, this is function, so just integrated by this, by finding this factor, just multiply this equation and the solution will be like that: ddx of integrating factor into y equals to q of x into integrating factor. Then just integrate, you will be solve this equation, this type of equation. Take an example. Suppose you have a differential equation like that: dy dx plus 2y tan x plus is equals to sin x. This is the form of like the linear differential equation, where p of x, here you can see there is a 2 tan x. 2 tan x is the p of x and q of x is the sin x. So you can find out the integrating factor easily. That integrating factor will be exponential integration p of x dx, right? So e to the power integration p of x is 2 tan x dx. So integration of tan x is nothing but the log of sec x. So this is log of sec x. So this will be sec square x and this will be interchanges. So you will get sec square x, right? So if you multiply this equation by the sec square x, you will be get sec square x dy dx plus 2 sec square x tan x into y is equal to sin x sec square x. So this is nothing but you can write this as ddx of sec square x into y, because the integration of sec is 2 sec x and derivative of sec square x is 2 sec x and then sec x tan x. So you will get this term. So you can write in this form, and this is the sin x by cos square x. X square is the 1 by cos square x. So if you integrate d of y into sec square x, and this is integration sin x dx by cos square x. So this is you got y sec square x, and this is nothing but d of cos x with minus sin, and this is the cos square x. So integration of that will be minus to plus 1, so the minus of 1 by cos x, so 1 by cos x. Okay. uh, this can be also written in the integration sec x tan x, and the integration of sec x tan x is also sec x. This can be also done, and by using this formula also you can see this is sec x plus c. So the answer will be y sin square x is equal to sec x plus c, and if you given in the boundary condition, the c will be calculated, right? This is the exercise of the book H.K. Dass, Mathematical Methods by H.K. Dass. Actually, we want to cover up these books, show differential equation of this book. So question number 1 says that dy dx plus 1 by x is equal to this. So 1 by x is p of x, so integrating factor, what will be the integrating factor? Integrating factor will be integration 1 by x dx, and this is nothing but e to the power log x, and this is x. So multiply this equation with x, so you will get x dy dx plus y equal to x to the power 4 minus 3x. So this is nothing but d dx of x into y equals to x to the power 4 minus 3x. So you can see, say here, if we integrate, that is the d of xy is equals to x to the power 4 minus 3x into dx. So if you integrate both side, so you will be get xy is equals to x to the power 5 by 5 minus 3x square by 2 plus c. This is the solution of this equation. And that case, if you rearrange them, so you will get dy by dx, that is minus x by 2y minus 3x. I think I write, okay, right. So this is 2 by xy plus 3. So this term taken in the left hand side, that is dy dx plus 2 by x d, sorry, 2 by xy is equals to 3. So this is the p of x, so integrating factor will be e to the power 2 by x log x, sorry 2 by x dx, and this is nothing but e to the power 2 log x, so this become x square, become x square. Multiply this equation with the x square, you will get x square dy dx plus 2xy is equal to 3x square. This is nothing but d of y into x square, and this is 3x square dx. So if you integrate both side, y x square is nothing but 3x cube by 3, that is the x cube plus c. This is the answer of this question. I think clear the process. This is the question. You must solve this question, and if there is any problem to solving this question, or any problem or any query, you must comment in the comment box, or you can contact with my WhatsApp number for any question. I want to say you first try to solve this in this process. If there is any problem to solving, you must contact with me WhatsApp number, or you can comment in the comment box, right? So let's go. I want to solve this question. This is question number 13, already is given in this. I want to solve this question 13. So we can rearrange this in the dr d theta. If you wants to write, that is the dr d theta, that is nothing but dr d theta. So this is 2r cot theta plus sine 2 theta. So dr d theta plus 2 cot theta r equals to minus sine 2 theta, like that. So the integrating factor will be exponential, this is the 2 cot theta d theta, right? 2 cot theta d theta, and integration of cot theta is the log of sine theta, log of sine theta. So this becomes sine square theta. So multiply this equation with sine square theta, you will get sine square theta dr d theta, and 2 sine square cos by sine, so this is 2 sine theta cos theta into r minus sine 2 theta sine 2 theta sine square theta sine square theta. Okay, so this can be written as d d theta of sine square theta into r, and this is minus sine 2 theta into sine square theta. So this is nothing but sine square theta into r, and this can be written as 2 sine theta cos theta, 2 sine theta cos theta, so sine q theta cos theta d theta. Put integration, so you will get this is nothing but 2 sine q theta and d of sine theta. This is nothing but d of sine theta. So this is 2 sine to the power 4 theta by 4 with some constant. So this is minus sine to the power 4 theta by 2 plus c, and in this are sine square theta. I think clear. Next, this question number 14, which says that, so this is nothing but sec x dy dx minus y equal to sin x, just divided by sec x, that is dy dx. 1 by sec x is the cos x, so this is cos x y, and this is sin x cos x, right? Sin x cos x. So this is the p, so integrating factor will be exponential minus integration cos x dx. So integration cos x is the sin x, so e to the power minus sin x. So if you multiply this equation with the e to the power minus sin x into dy dx, and this is minus cos x e to the power minus sin x into y equals to e to the power minus sin x cos x, simple. So this can be written as ddx of y into e to the power minus sin x, right? And this is e to the power minus sin x cos x. So if you integrate in this, so you will get into e to the power minus sin x is equals to integration e to the power minus sin x cos x dx. Put sin x equals to z, put sin x equals to z. So this become minus, this become cos x dx equals to dz. So here you can write e to the power minus z dz. So integrate by parts, so integration of that, derivative of that, so you will get minus z to the power minus z minus z, derivative is 1, and this will be minus e to the power minus z dz. So this becomes minus z e to the power minus z minus e to the power minus z plus c. So if you put the value of z, you will be get y e to the power minus sin x is equals to minus z. Z is the sin x, z is the sin x into e to the power minus sin x minus e to the power minus sin x plus c. Multiply e to the power sin x, you will get y equals to minus sin x minus 1 plus c into e to the power sin x. I think clear here. I think clear. Okay. Next, find the value of alpha, so that find the value of alpha so that e to the power alpha x square is the integrating factor of this differential equation. So you need to rearrange this differential equation in the linear differential order. So x into y minus y dx equals to dy, right? So this dy by dx is equals to x into 1 minus y, that is the x minus xy. So you can write this as the dy dx plus xy is equals to x. So this is the p of x. So integrating factor will be integration p of x dx. So this is e to the power p of x is the x integration x dx, that is the e to the power x square by 2. So if we compare this, so you can say alpha equals to half. Clear. Next, 17, the value of alpha, so that e to the power alpha y square is an integrating factor of this differential equation. Just change this differential equation in the this form, that is the dy by dx. I just step jump dy by dx equals to, so I 1 to this is y, so this must be written into dx dy, right? Dx dy equals to the power y square by 2 minus xy, I think clear. So this is dx dy plus xy equals to the power y square by 2. So this is the p of y actually. So integrating factor will be e to the power p of y dy, so that is e to the power integration y dy, that is e to the power y square by 2. So if you compare with this to that, you can easily say alpha equals to half. Similar. Next, solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation by transforming the substitution y is equals to 1 plus y is equals to 1 plus 1 by z. So we need to substitute. So y equals to 1 plus 1 by z, that is dy dx, that is the y prime. This will be minus 1 by z square dz dx. So put in this equation, x dy dx, that is minus 1 by z square dz dx, and equals to y square. Y square means 1 plus 1 by z whole square plus y, that is 1 plus 1 by z minus 2. So this is x by z square dz dx, and this is 1 plus 2 by z plus 1 by z square plus 1 plus 1 by z minus 2. So this 1 2 minus 2 cancel out, and 2 by z, that is 1 by z, that is 3 by z. So this will becomes 3 by z plus 1 by z square, and this is minus x by z square dz dx. So this becomes minus x dz dx is equals to 3z plus 1. So if you wants to this side, so dz dx equals to minus 3 by x z minus 1 by x. So this in the left hand side, that is dz dx plus 3 by x z is equals to minus 1 by x. So this is p of x. So p of x is nothing but 3 by x. So integrating factor if integrating factor will be exponential p of x dx. So 3 by x dx, so it is ln x. So this is nothing but x cube. So if you multiply this equation by x cube dz dx, so this will be 3x square z, 3x cube, that is 3x square, right? So this is nothing but z into x cube, and this is 3x square dx. So this become zx cube, and this is x cube, some constant. Put the value of z. Z is nothing but, z is from here you can see 1 by z is equals to y minus 1. Z is nothing but 1 by y minus 1. 1 by y minus 1, x cube is equals to minus x cube plus c. Okay, so if you divided by x cube, you will be get 1 by y minus 1 equals to minus 1 plus c by x cube. If you take this is plus 1, if you get y by get plus 1, so this is 1 plus y minus 1, that is y by something like that. Okay, if there is any error, I think clear the process. And this is another one. So this will be dy dx plus tan x y equal to cos x. So here p of x is the tan x, so integrating factor will be e to the power tan x dx, and integration tan x is the e to the power log of cos x. Clear? Log of sec x. So this becomes sec x. So if you product with the sec x, so sec x dy dx plus sec x tan x y equal to sec x into cos x will be 1. So this become d of sec x into y is equals to dx. So if you integrate both sides, you will get y sec x equal to x plus c. If you put this limit, that is y0 is 0, so x0 y0, so this is 0 equals to 0 plus c, so this is equals to 0. So if you get y sec x equals to x, so y is equals to this cos x will be x cos x. So this is the solution of this question. Next is the reduce to the linear differential equation. Sometimes the equation can be reduced in the linear differential equation and then just follow the linear differential equation formula. Okay. This equation like that is dy dx plus p of x y is equals to q of x with some y to the power n. These are the x. This is the general form of the reducible differential equation. We need to reduce this equation first, then we just solve this. Okay. For example, take the equation that is x dy dx plus y log a log y equal to xy e to the power x. Okay. So if we divide it by xy in this equation, you will get y dy dx plus 1 by x log y equal to the power x. If you put y equals to z, so if you get that is the sorry if you put log y equals to z, so if you get 1 by y dy dx, we need to change this one actually, that is dz dx. So this can be written as dz dx and 1 by x, and log y is the z, and log y is the z, and this will be to the power x. So here the p of x is 1 by x. So integrating factor, what will be the integrating factor? Integrating factor will be integration e to the power p of x dx, that is log x, so you will get x. So if you multiply with respect to x, so x dz dx plus z equal to x e to the power x. So this is nothing but d of xz, equals to x e to the power x dx. So if you integrate, you will get xz equals to integration of this. So integration of x e to the power x dx is nothing but that by parts. So derivative integration, so x minus e to the power x, so this is x e to the power x minus e to the power x. The solution will be xz equals to like that. This is the solution of this equation. Clear? Next, this is the exercise of this book H.K.Dass by mathematical methods by H.K.Dass. So if you want to solve this equation, you can just take that is the minus 1 by y equals to z. Actually we need to substitute this portion, so take 1 by minus 1 by y equals to z, so this become 1 by y square dy dx equals to dz dx. So if you put here, you just get the equation that is dz dx and minus 1 by y equals to z equals to 2x e to the power minus x, right? So here p of x is 1, so integrating factor will be e to the power integration dx, that is e to the power x. This is the integrating factor. This is the integrating factor, right? And just multiply with this equation, so e to the power x dz dx plus e to the power x z, and this will be 2x. So this is nothing but d dx of e to the power x into z, and this is 2x. So if we integrate e to the z e to the power x, and in left hand side 2x dx, this is becomes this x square plus c. So the answer will be z into, and if we put the value z, z is minus 1 by y, so you will get z will be minus 1 by y e to the power x equals to x square plus c. So just multiply, and you will get e to the power x equal to x square plus c into y. So x square y plus cy plus e to the power x equals to 0. Clear? The same process, do the sum of question number 2, and this is the all question. I request you to solve this one. You try first, then if there is any problem, then I will want to solve equation. Okay, I request you try first. This is 11, and this is the very much question. I want to tell you to solve this one. Okay, take another one example, that is question number 20, which is here, question number 20. So if you wants to solve this one, that is, you can say that is right. So e to the power minus y sec square y, and this x is taken here, minus x dy equals to dx. So if you write dx dy, then this is e to the power minus y sec square y minus x. Okay, so dx dy, so write into x, so there is the plus x equal to the power minus y sec square y. So p of y is equals to 1, so integrating factor will be to the power integration p of y dy. So this is dy, that is e to the power y. So if you multiply this equation by e to the power y, you will be get e to the power y dx dy plus x equals to into the y. If you multiply, then you will be get sec square y. Now just you can see here, this is nothing but ddx dy of e to the power y into x, and this is sec square y. So if you integrate, you will get e to the power y into x equals to integrate on sec square y dy. Integration of sec square y is nothing but the tan y, right? This is the tan y plus c. So this is e to the power y x equals to tan y. This is the solution, right? And this is another 4 question you want to solve this one. Okay, this is all about me, and this is my contact details. For any query regarding physics, you can contact with my WhatsApp number, and this is my YouTube channel details. Go to this channel, you will get the videos which already uploaded, and there is a detailed solution of the vector analysis by MS Faisal book. You can also go through this and share this video to your friends so that he or she also get benefit, and subscribe this channel if you new in this channel, and press the bell icon to get the notification for upcoming video. So take care, we'll meet in the next video as soon as possible. Thank you.